Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type here CMD. Then right click here and select run as administrator. Select S. Now type here GP update and hit enter. Okay, my bad. GP update and hit enter. So this will take a few seconds to complete the process, so we need to wait for it. And once done, we have to simply type exit to close the command prompt window. Okay, now right click on the start icon, click on device manager. Now expand the display adapters, right click on the particular device, go to its properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then click on this search automatically for drivers and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, close these windows and expand monitors, right click on the particular device, go to its properties, open drivers and click on update driver. Again do the same process for this one also. Click the first option, that will be search automatically for drivers. And once done, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and simply restart your system and problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.